Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker symbol ILUS. Just looking at the recent news stories, there's not too much in the past few days. The latest one I'm seeing here in Thinkorswim is just about the recent strong quarterly performance, actually strongest quarterly performance to date. Let's take a look at the price action here, and you can definitely see this thing was moving in a downtrend, and then it seemed to find a bottom here around 36 cents or so, and now it's been in a pretty good uptrend. You see the last several days trending higher, looking pretty nice here. When it hit up to about 46 cents here on this time frame, started to back off a little or go a little bit sideways. So I'd like to see this thing making a nice move away from the 21-day EMA and try to bust through that 46-cent level. Let's look at a higher or longer time frame here on the 1 hour. And you can see on the 1 hour, kind of trading within a range on this chart. You can see down here we got a low around 33 cents, a high around 52 cents. Just kind of made that move between those 2 points and then pull back and then trying to make a move up again and maybe go back to test around that 52-cent level. You can see the price here is still above the 21-day EMA. I'm kind of thinking this thing will pull back to the 21 on this time frame before continuing to rip higher. If it can reject that 21-day EMA, I would keep an eye on that on this time frame. Let's check out the daily chart. And on the daily chart, yeah, this thing is still in an uptrend, even though you can see right here it's looking a little more like consolidation. But I mean, you can see this rip right here around 47, 48 cents or so. It was able to make a little bit of a higher high on this time frame when it got up here to about 51 cents. It did dip a little bit below the 21 here, but then it was able to rally quickly above that. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, you can definitely see even here, here, and here, still making a series of higher lows. And then here and here, you do have, slightly higher highs between those 2 points. So some key points I'm going to be looking at here on the daily chart is definitely going to be this 51-cent level. You can see a lot of rejection, several wicks sticking out, rejecting around that 51-cent level there. So if this thing can start to rip again and break through that level on the daily time frame, I'm definitely going to see or expect a big rip if it can bust through that level. And then to the downside, you can definitely see, these higher lows I was talking about here. So let me throw up a little line here. I would definitely keep an eye on like that trend line right there, because the thing is above the 21-day EMA. If this thing starts to sell off, goes through that 21, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this trend line right here. If this thing falls through the 21-day exponential moving average and falls through this trend line that I drew out here, then I'm going to expect this thing to probably go down and test around 30 cents, because you can see that was a previous low here. And then if it, sells through that level and continues to move lower, I'm probably going to be looking at this 25-cent level, because you can see that that was a previous low right here in this uptrend on the daily chart. But I'll continue to keep you guys updated on ILUS. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.